Samsung's upcoming foldable marvels are creating a buzz, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leading the charge with its latest sneak peeks. Thanks to some early leaks from SmartPrix and OnLeaks, we're getting a first look at what Samsung has in store for us. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is coming in with a fresh, edgier look that makes it even more eye-catching than before. It's a bit shorter and wider than its predecessor, the Z Fold 5, showing off a new vibe with its angular and boxy design. One cool update is how the two halves of the phone fold down super snugly against each other, barely leaving any gap. This means Samsung is getting even better at making these foldables sleeker and fixing those pesky fold lines for a smoother look and feel. Though we hoped for a special spot for the S Pen, it looks like that's not in the cards this time around. Expect a 6.2-inch screen on the outside and a whopping 7.6-inch screen when you unfold it. But remember, these early looks might get a tweak or two before the final reveal, though they usually end up pretty close to what we see early on. Spec-wise, we're still in the dark, but bets are on Samsung packing the Z Fold 6 with the latest and greatest tech, including Qualcomm's newest chipset. Stay tuned for the big reveal later this year, as Samsung is all set to push the boundaries of foldable tech once again. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates, and we'll make sure you're in the loop with all the official news straight from Samsung.